How to view Facebook Messenger key code. It's quite easy and simple to view Facebook Messenger key code. Simply locate Messenger app on your device and launch it. You will reach on the section or the chat section of Messenger. Ensure to log into your particular account in order to get into the chat section page of Messenger. Now tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen and choose the gear icon at top right corner of this panel. On this page, scroll down. Under Preferences, choose Privacy and Safety option. Scroll down. Under Security, select End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Now tap the Security Alerts option and tap View All Logins. On this page, you will see where your messenger has been signed in or logged in. To find out your particular messenger account, you can see this login underneath, which is highlighted in green. So that is your messenger, which you want to see the view the Facebook Messenger key code. So let's open it by tapping on it, and under key you will see all your Facebook Messenger key code. So these are only the key code of your Facebook Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.